Hello guys, welcome back to DG3. So today's topic will be how to hide any post or reel or videos on your Instagram without deleting it. So let's get started. First you have to go to your account, come to your home page, and I select this photo and click on three dots over here, and you can see archive. Click on that and you can see that the post is not visible over here. So if you want to see where it is, you can go to your account, click on these three dots, click on archive, and here above it is written that stories archive. Click on that and you can see that post archive is there. Just click it and you can see the post. You have not deleted it, it's over here. That's it. Please do subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.